Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are learning multiplication and we have started yesterday word problem on multiplication. So children, we are going to continue the same exercise. That exercise number is 4.9 children. So let's start children. Today is 10th August 2021. This is your maths class, class 3. Chapter 4 we are doing multiplication. Okay children, and we are doing exercise number 4.9. So children, yesterday we have completed children 3 questions. Today we are going to start from 4th number question, exercise 4.9 children. So as you all know how to write solution, similarly we will write solution as we have done in the subtraction word problem and addition word problem. So there is no any difference between the solution, but the concept is we have to multiply. Okay. So children, let's start writing solution. 4th question is, the price of a toy is rupees 126. Find the price of 36 such toys. Okay, I am going to write on the board this question. Question number 4. The price of a toy, price of a toy is rupees 126. Find the price of 36 such toys. Okay children, now here the question is, that is the price of a toy. A toy price is already given. That price of a toy is 126 rupees. Okay, find the price of 36 such toys. It means you have to find the price of 36 such a toys. Okay, so here we should write, first of all, the price is already given over here. So we will write the word problem, or we have already written word problem. Now we are going to start writing our solution children. So solution we will write here. Now here we are going to write price of a toy equal to 100 rupees, 126 children. Okay, now we are going to write the next line, that is children, price of 36. Therefore price of 36 toys equal to 126 multiplied by 36. Okay, so price of 36 toys equal to 126 multiplied by 6. So here we will get, first we will multiply here 126 multiplied by 36. What we will get children? 6 6s are 36, 3 will be carry over, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15, 15, 1 will be carry over, 6, 1s are 6 and 1 is 7. Now 3 6s are 18, 18, 1 will be carry over. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 and 1 is 7. Now 3 ones are 3. Let's add, children. Okay, first we will add, children. Okay, children, 6, 8 and 5, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, 13. 1 will be carry over, 7, 7, 14 and 1 is 5, 15. 15 and 1 is carry over, 3 and 1 is 4. So answer is 4,536 is the cost. So we will write over here 4,536 rupees. The cost of, answer we will write, cost of 36 toys, rupees 4,536. So this is your answer, children. So children, complete it. We have done this question. Okay, take a screenshot. 4,536 is your answer. Okay, so complete it. Now question number 4 we have completed. Now we are moving to the question number 5, that a box contains 48 chalk sticks. Find the number of chalk sticks in 54 boxes. Okay, children. So first, a box contains equal to how much? 48 chalks. So find the chalks. So therefore, chalk inside in 54 boxes equal to, we will do. Okay. So let's complete this question. Now we are going to write the next one, number 5. Number 5 we are going to write, children. Number 5 is a box contains 48 chalks. 48 chalk sticks. Find the number of chalk sticks in 54 boxes. Okay. Now here the capacity of one box is already given over here, and we have to find the number of chalk sticks in 54 boxes. 54 boxes में कितनी chalk होगी, that we are going to find out. So children, let's write the solution first. Solution we will write first. Now here chalk sticks okay. Now here we will write first a box contains 48 chalk sticks. Therefore, chalks inside 54 boxes equal to 48 multiplied by 54, okay, equal to, first we will write over here 48 multiplied by 54. So we are going to multiply first. Okay, 8 4 8s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So 3 here we will get carry over. 4 4s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. So we will get 19 over here. 5 8s are 8 5s are 30 yes 35 8 5s are 40, 4 will be carry over. 5 4s are 20, 20 and 4 is 24. Okay, now 2, 9, 4 and 1 is 5 and 2. So answer we will get 2592 chalks inside the 54 boxes. Okay children, 2592. Okay children, so we will write over here 2592 chalk sticks. For answer we will write there are 2592 chalk sticks in 54 boxes. Okay children, so completed children. 54 boxes में आपको 2592 sticks chalk sticks मिल जाएंगी. So that is how we have completed this question. That is question number 5. Now children, we are going to do number 6. Okay, number 6 is there are 24 trees in a row. How many trees will be there in 89 rows? Okay, so now we are going to do children this question. That is question number 6 children. We will write question number 6 over here. There are 24 trees in a row. Okay, how many trees will be there in 89 rows. Okay, so there are 24 trees in a row. How many trees will be there in 89 rows? This is the question. The strength of trees are already given. There are 24 trees in a row. एक रो में 24 trees हैं. तो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है हाउ मैनी ट्रीज विल बी देयर इन 89 रोज. तो 89 रोज में कितने ट्रीज होंगे? सो दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. लेट्स राइट द सोल्यूशन फर्स्ट. ओके, सोल्यूशन वी आर गोइंग टू राइट चिल्ड्रन. First of all, we will write in a row 24 trees. Therefore, in trees in 89 rows equal to 24 multiplied by 89. Okay, so here 24 multiplied by 89, so we will just multiply by 24. So 9 4s are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are you just write it down. 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are children 9 fours are 36, 36 we will write over here, 3 will be carry over, 8 fours are children 32, 32, 32 plus 3, 33, 34, 35. 35 is the answer. Now 2 nines are 18, so 18 we will write, 1 will be carry over, okay. Or again 2 eights are 16, 16 and 1 is 17. So here children you can see 6, 8 and 5 is 13, 1 will be carry over, 7 and 3 is 10, 1 is carry over 1. So here 1 will be carry over, so here you can see this is 2136. So in 89 rows, how many trees are there? There are 2136, 2136 trees, okay. Now answer we will write, there are 2136 trees in 89 rows, okay. So this is your answer. Completed children. Take a screenshot and complete it. Now after that we will do our next question, that is question number 7. A truck can carry 78 bags of maize. How many bags can be carried by 93 trucks? तो पहले हमें लिखना होगा ट्रक कैन कैरी 78 बैग्स ऑफ मेज़, है ना, मतलब 78 बैग्स ऑफ मेज़, मेज़ मतलब मक्का, है ना, मक्का को वो इतनी 78 बैग्स ऑफ मेज़ एक ट्रक में ले जाते हैं. सो हाउ मैनी ट्रक्स, हाउ मैनी बैग्स कैन बी कैरीड बाय 93 ट्रक्स. तो हमें 93 ट्रक्स में कितने बैग्स ऑफ मेज़ जा सकता है. So that we are going to find out. So children, complete this. Now after that we are going to do 7 number. Take a screenshot. Now we will do 7 number. 7 number करेंगे. So 7 number is a truck. A truck can carry 78 bags of maize. Okay children, how many bags can be carried by 93 trucks. Okay children, so solution we will write number of bags carry in a truck equal to 78 bags. Okay, so how many bags can be carried by 93 trucks? Number of bags can be carried by 93 trucks equal to, now here we are going to multiply 78 multiply by 93. Okay, so here 78 multiply by 93 children. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. 24 we are going to write 2 over here, 7 threes are 21, 22 and 23, 9 eights are, it means 8 9s are 72, 72 here we will write 2, 7 will be carry over, 9 7s are children 9 7s are जो भी आएगा उसमें हमें 7 को प्लस कर देना है. So let's tell the table of 9 7 times first. So 9 7s are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54 and 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 7. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and this is 70. So here 70, 4, 3 and 2 plus we will get this 5, then 2 and 7. So 7254 is the answer. So we will write over here 7254. Okay, bags. Bags of maize will be carried in the 93 trucks. So answer we will write 7254 bags can be carried by 93 trucks. Okay, so completed children, this is your answer, completed. Okay, take a screenshot. Now children, we are going to do our next one, that is 8 number. 45 students of a class collected rupees 125 each for Prime Minister Relief Fund. How much money did they collect? It means over here 45 students of a class collected rupees 125 each for Prime Minister Relief Fund. It means 45 students ने हर एक बच्चे ने 125 rupees collect किए. It means each student has collected 125 rupees for Prime Minister Relief Fund. So here how much money did they collected? तो 45 बच्चे ने अगर एक सिंगल बच्चे ने 125 रुपीज़ कलेक्ट किया है तो हाउ मच मनी डिड दे कलेक्टेड, इट मीन्स कितना मनी उन लोग ने कलेक्ट किया. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन फर्स्ट वी विल राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 फर्स्ट वी विल राइट चिल्ड्रन. 45 students of a class collected rupees 125 each for Prime Minister Relief Fund. Okay, how much money did they collect? Okay children, now solution we will write. Number of students, 45 students collected equal to okay, 45 students of a class collected rupees 125. It means 45 students of a class collected rupees 125 each for Prime Minister Relief Fund. Now how many money did they collected? It means of a class collected. It means each student of the class collected, 45 students of the class collected rupees 125 each for the Prime Minister Relief Fund. Okay. Each. Okay. Now, therefore, money collected equal to 125 multiply rupees 45. Okay. Now 125 45 multiply 5 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, sorry, 25, 2 will be carry over, 5 2s are 10 and 2 is 12, 1 will be carry over, 5 1s are 5 and 1 is 6. So 4 5s are 20, 20 we will write 0 and 2 will be carry over, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, again 0, 1 will be carry over, 4 1s are 4 and 1 is 5. So here children you will see 2, 6 and 5. So 5,625 rupees they had collected. So here 5,625 rupees they had collected. Now answer we will write, they collected 5,625 rupees. They collected for Prime Minister Relief Fund. They collected rupees 5,625 for Prime Minister Relief Fund. So children, you just completed. This we have done. Okay. Now after that we will do 9 and 10. 9 and 10 I hope you can able to solve. This is the price of a table is rupees 725. On Monday Amit sold 9 tables. How much amount did he receive on that day? So children, let's write this 9 number. Nine number we are going to write, children. So write it down. 9 number. 9 number is the price of a table. Is rupees 725. Okay. On Monday Amit sold 9 tables. How much amount did he receive on that day? So solution we will write. Okay, solution we will write the price of a cost table is a price of a table equal to rupees 725. So Amit sold the tables. 9 tables, sorry. Price of, therefore, price of 9 tables equal to 700 rupees. 725 multiplied by 9. So what we will get? 725 multiplied by 9. 9 5s are 45. 4 will be carry over. 9 2s are 18. 19, 20, 21, 22. 2 will be carry over. 9 7s are, children. You have to write 9 7s are, and after that we will add 2 over there. So 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 2, 64 and 65. So here 6,525 rupees. 6,525 rupees. Answer we will write Amit received amount of rupees 6,525 on Monday. Okay, so complete this. We have completed this exercise. One question is left, children. So this question you will do by yourself. This is very simple question, and practice it. This is your homework. To complete it, write a story for each of the following sentences. This is your homework, children. So complete it. Now from tomorrow onwards we will start division. So start learning division, how to do this. So children, we will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care, and complete your exercise.